Hi mathematicians, you can see that I am in Google Drawing, is this app here, and I'm going to try and use it to make a tessellating shape and hopefully a pattern. The tool I want to use is this line tool. Not the arrow, not the elbow, not any of these, but the line tool. And it changes my cursor to a cross, you can see. When I click and drag, it pulls out a line. I can make that go any length, any angle, direction that I'd like. If I push down on my Shift key on my keyboard at the same time while holding my mouse button, you can see it kind of snaps around now. I'm still holding my mouse button, I'm holding down the Shift key also, and now my line is snapping around. So if I wanted a straight line that is straight up and down vertically, I know that it's snapped to that and I can be confident that it is perfectly straight. Or if I wanted it out in any other direction like this, I can be confident that it's not slightly off, but it is perfectly up and down. So I'm going to put a line there to start. And if I change tool to this arrow, I can now move it around, or I could change it if I'd like, but I don't want to do that. Alright, so back to my line tool, and I'm going to try and do another line. I want it straight out to the side, so I'll hold Shift again, and I'm going to drop it there, and now another line tool. I think that I'd like to maybe put a little something over here. If I zoom in and see that my, like here, that my points don't line up perfectly, I could use this and just try and make them line up. That looks a bit better. Down here, the same thing. At the moment, this shape I don't think is going to tessellate. I've got this extra triangle stuck on the right hand side, so what I'm going to need to do is try and take the same triangle off the left hand side. So this could be tricky. I'll see how I can do. I think I'm going to try and find, using a line here, that'll now tell me over here exactly where I need to start this triangle again. Tell you what I could also do is select this, copy it, paste it to get another copy, and then move it over here to try and make sure it's exactly the same. Now I know that I can shorten this line and shorten this line, and lastly remove this again. Cool. Once I'm happy with my shape, I'm going to drag and select it all, and then right click and click this group option. Now if I click on it, the whole thing is joined together. It acts like it's all just one big group. So I could now use my keyboard shortcuts again, Control C to copy and Control V to paste, make myself another copy, and see if I can tessellate my shape. That's a pretty good start. I'll make another copy. I think I might just be onto something. Good luck with yours.